My name is Dimitry. I'm from Germany. I'm generally very interested in history and culture and architecture. And I was reading a lot about Mohenjo Daro in books and on the internet. And I thought that is a very interesting place to visit. And actually, the visit exceeded my expectations because I was really amazed by the technical engineering abilities of the people who lived 4,500 years ago. And also Irshad, my guide through the site, made a fantastic job because he showed me a lot of small details which were really telling a big story about the past. So that was a great visit, very good experience. So in total, I think was a very insightful visit for me. Frankly speaking, not at all familiar with the Indus Valley Civilization. That was a big discovery because, coming from Europe, we learn a lot about Egypt, Greece, Roman Empire, but unfortunately we don't learn a lot about big civilizations in other parts of the world, and they were really great, so really advanced, and that was a big discovery and was really great to visit it. My experience has been really great, I have to say, really great. But most of all, I was really amazed by the friendliness, hospitality, and warm-heartedness of people. So everywhere I've met in Pakistan. So that makes the experience, of course, a lot more pleasant. So.